Hey guys, I've decided to resin this piece, so I brought it out into the sunlight so you can see. Hopefully you can see the shine. It's quite cloudy. So that actually turned out absolutely beautifully. It's pretty much, it looks like glass. Beautiful finish. See if I can get that gold to shine up. And I'll show you the back, all nice and clean. Anyway guys, on to the next video. Hello everybody, Belinda here, welcome back. My inspiration for the day is this beautiful flower that I picked on a walk. So I'm going to try and get those colors. I'm working with titanium white, and in it I have added Paynes Grey. Give it a beautiful light grey blue tinge to it. This canvas is a 16 by 20 inch. I have covered taped my underneath. So I'm going to lay down my colour and I will see you in a bit. I'm going to go in first with this darker grey. Let's see. So as you can see, I'm just doing something a little bit different. Then I have Magenta. And hopefully I'm not putting too much paint on. I probably should have tried one first, right? So that is Magenta, and I have a number of different pinks here. So I think I'm going to go in, actually, let's go in with a bit of white. So this here is my Cell Activated Bloom Recipe White. Let's put that on. We'll see how this turns out. It might work and look good, or it might not. Then I'll go in with this pink, which is actually, I think this is a bright pink, but it's kind of a mixture of two different pinks. There's no silicone in any of my paint. All my paints are mixed. 1 part paint to 1 part of water, 2 parts of Floetrol. Right, so let's go in with this brighter pink. Well, if it doesn't work, guys, we have to go to plan B. And then I'm going to go in with Florescent Yellow. And then I'll give it a torch. Those puddles are looking really nice. Right, let's give that a torch. Let's try this. Okay, although there are some great cells, it's not looking anything like what I wanted. So, I have a big fat straw. A little bit dizzy. So when in doubt, blow it out. I think I'm going to just blow a little bit more here. I'll give that a torch. So now I'm going to embellish it. I think I need to just first, you know, some of them that's falling off the edge, I will just scrape so they don't go any further. I really like that. I think it's very, very minimalistic. So I might actually call this cherry blossoms. So I'm embellishing with this Model Master Gold. Let's give it a good shake. And I'm using a skewer and just dipping it in. I'll kind of take it off the edge. So that just gives it a little added something else. Guys, now that I've finished playing, I'll bring you in for a close-up. Just want to join that in there, tidy that up. Okay guys, this is it. Hopefully you can see that gold. There we go. Absolutely beautiful, and I really love all of these cells, all of the lacing. And there's that gold again, all shimmery and shiny. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Something just a little bit out of the ordinary, and there's some more of that shimmer, of that gold. I think the colours turned out absolutely beautiful. Well guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in any of my artwork to purchase, then please contact me on withbade@gmail.com, and thank you so much again, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys, bye.